Weights on your left foot, starting with our lock step forward. Now remember, there are no and counts with this dance. All solid steps, solid counts. So we lock step forward, step behind, step, scarf left, step behind, step, scarf right. Now when you scarf here, make sure you slightly bend that knee because you are going to do 2 kicks from there. Kick, kick, back together, forward with the scarf, out to the side, and you pop that right knee in. That double kick into a slow coaster. Kick, kick, slow coaster, step, scarf, step, knee in. To the right side, we're going to step 1, drag holding for 2, rock 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, recover 8, 2-step claps to the right, we touch and clap, quarter turn right, we step to the left, touch and clap, into a modified rocking chair. We use our right foot. We're going to jump into that forward, then we're going to jump back into a kick, and you're going to punch the air and recover that weight. Now the last part is just 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't officially pause it there at all. Face the front, let's run through the whole thing with a little bit of words, a little bit of count mixed up. Lock step, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, scuff, lock again, scuff, bend that knee, 2 kicks, back together, step, scuff, and step, knee pop, side 1, hold 2, rock 3, 4, repeat, side with a tap, turn with a tap, jump forward, jump back, and punch, recover, and we start again.